Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can display your images from your iPhone to a TV or to your computer. What we need is an iPhone with a lightning port, and we need this AV lightning device, basically from Apple. It's AV lightning port. As you can see over here, it has an HDMI port, and on the other side a lightning port that you plug on the iPhone, and you also need an HDMI cable. So what we're going to do, we'll connect this iPhone over here and we'll plug the HDMI cable to the lightning device and we'll connect it to the TV. So let me show you how it's done. First, let's connect the HDMI cable on the TV, and let me just plug it in. You can see that the image that is on the phone is actually the same as the one that is on the TV. So the lightning AV port have connected the iPhone onto the TV, and if I rotate the iPhone, the device, you'll see that on the TV also all my apps are being displayed over here. If I go to Google, for example, the Google is over there, so it becomes more like an Apple TV. And if I open YouTube, let's say YouTube over here, starts playing horizontally automatically. So I think this over there. So all your apps are actually being displayed over there. I'll use this on the computer to stream, because that is what I do most, and we'll see how it's going to display. Back on the computer, guys, you can see that our lightning port is still there connected, and if you remember, we've already plugged the HDMI cable over here, and I'll show you my configurations. Remember, we have this no name HDMI capture card. If you didn't watch my previous video, please watch it over here. But we connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI capture device, and the other end of the HDMI cable goes to the iPhone. So guys, as you can see over here, my configuration is already done. This is just to test and see how the iPhone quality image will come out, and I've already opened OBS on the system. So let's see how it will happen. I've already set everything. So this is the iPhone. Let me just open it. Alright, there it is. You can see whatever is on the iPhone screen, it's already on the computer, and that's all I was looking for. If I try and open, let's say, my camera, you can see that already the camera and the picture quality is actually good, so I'm happy with that. And with this one here, I can easily stream the HD signal to my channels. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching.